Tonight, a warning from doctors about the rising number of highly contagious whooping cough cases in Keloland. According to the State Health Department website, cases are up by 186%. The infection, also called pertussis, can be dangerous for adults and young kids. School districts are on the lookout because cases have already been reported in Sioux Falls and Harrisburg in the last 2 weeks. Keloland's Tom Hansen has the story.
Whooping cough can include uncontrollable coughing fits, which can lead to vomiting, difficulty breathing, and in rare cases, broken ribs.
We've seen a few clusters of whooping cough popping up in the Sioux Falls area.
Dr. Margot Free is a pediatric infectious disease specialist. She says whooping cough starts like a normal cold with a runny nose, sneezing, and sometimes a dry cough. But after 2 to 3 weeks, infected people can develop a persistent cough.
It can hit you like a ton of bricks.
Whooping cough is caused by bacteria, and those infected can be highly contagious for weeks. That's why it's such a big deal in schools and daycares where it can easily spread. It can be especially dangerous for babies. Several vaccinations are recommended for infants, then at ages 4 and 11. Randy Grunstein of Aberdeen is a mother of 2, including this handsome little guy. Meet 7-week-old Weston. She says her 6-year-old daughter has been vaccinated, and so will Weston.
It's up to us to make sure that they're taken care of completely, so to keep them safe.
Dr. Free says they can treat an infected person with antibiotics to make them less contagious, but it probably won't help ease the severity of the cough.
They sometimes call it the machine gun cough, where you cough so many times, dozens of times in a row, and then the whoop comes from that sharp inhalation between coughs. So those people often are not admitted to the hospital, but you're at home with a miserable cough for weeks.
Those who have been vaccinated are usually able to avoid the illness or get by with a mild version. Dr. Free says a shot is the best defense against whooping cough for both kids and adults. Tom Hansen, Keloland News.
Adults should get the vaccine every 10 years. If you are unsure if you are up to date, Free says call your primary physician and ask. Walk-in vaccinations are often available.